going on, guys? Welcome to my second channel. Let me just finish his nerves before. So yeah, it's gonna be an aviation-based channel where I just fly around. You ever seen that one? F-A-18, F-16, and A-10. And the more I level up, the more cash I make, the more experience. And soon I'll be able to buy an F-35, which will be great. And for now, we're just going to be taking on an interceptor role in the A-18C aircraft, Super Hornet. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the mission. Okay, right off the bat, we're taken into the battlefield. The communications officer and squadron leader says we're clear to engage. And the motor is jammed. It's just firing way too many missiles. Now, if you look on the radar, you can see how many goddamn missiles they shoot. Time for the Sidewinder. And I'm already gonna be out of weapons. Man, that's a fat. I legit just finish missions a bit like this. Now I can do maneuvers to avoid the missiles, but the enemy can't. Like if they try to do what they did. I have flares. Like you see right here, I paused the game real quick. Like you see right, oh, this is the Navy's aircraft. That's why it's a C, but yeah. Look at that. Don't mind that notification. I need to see it. Jeez, where did this guy go? Okay, I guess mission's over. Glad to see you guys here. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get us to 40 subscribers like we do on the main channel. See you all over there for the F16 video. Peace!